If your branch connectors, setting up your branch connectors is giving you a hard time, believe me, I understand, and I figured out how to set up the branch connectors correctly for the Bluetti AC200 2000 watt solar battery charger, solar power bank. Okay, here goes. These are a pair of female ends on a branch connector, and this would be the male end. I got that confused, believe it or not. This is a branch connector with two male ends and a female end here. So on the back of each solar panel, you're going to connect either a male or a female to each one. Male, female, or female to male, depending on how you're going to do it. How we did it here, I have 4 100 watt monocrystalline solar panels. I'm going to call this one number 1, 2, 3, and 4. This last one 4. Okay, I'm going to start at the end on number 4. On solar panel number 4, we connected the male end of number 4 and number 2 into the two female ends of the branch connector, which then feeds into the MC4 cable, which runs directly to your solar power bank. Solar panel number 1 here, and number 3, I'm connecting female to male to the branch connector that had the 2 male. Okay, so that means there'll be a female coming out of here, and I'm going to plug in the appropriate end of the MC4 connector cable. Now then, that would leave male to female. On solar panel number 1 and 2, I did male to female, and on solar panels number 3 and 4, female to male. Okay, so this one is female solar panel number 4 here in the series. I connected it to the next one, female to male. Okay, that one doesn't have the branch connector. So you're going to have 2 branch connectors. They're either going to be female with a male, or they're both going to be male. You're going to have one set that's male with a female end. These ends are what are going to go into the MC4. You're going to plug them in, snap them into those extension cords that are going to run along to whichever adapter that you put them in. But I just wanted to be clear that you need to know that it does matter the order in which you put them in. These have to have from 2 sets of solar panels. From the first or the third one, they've got to be connected by either a male or a female, depending on your branch connector. So the first and the third have to either be male, and then you could do the 4th solar panel with the 2nd solar panel. You can do female from the first one, and female from that second one, the 4th one to the 2nd one, right, into the male. And then this end is a female, so you would have a male of your MC4 extension cord cables to go into. So I just wanted to be really clear on that if you're doing a set of 4, those branch connectors, it does matter which way that you use those. Keep in mind that 1 and 3 are connected by one set, 2 and 4 are connected by another set. Okay, but then they'll both be connected to the MC4 cable.